Alright, I didn't want to show off this car yet, but this is my 1998 Toyota Corolla, and this window won't go all the way up. I think it might have something to do with that, but I want to get it up before it rains, so I'm doing this video now. It's the first video I'm doing on it, other than I pressure washed the engine bay, made it a little bit cleaner than it was. So I'm going to work on this and see if we can get this window up. It is a manual crank, and I'm just going to remove the handle, remove the door panel, see if we can get this window up. So as far as I can tell, there's only like one screw on this thing. There's a screw that goes there. There's no door handle right now. I don't see any others. Oh, looks like there's one over here. Any underneath? I don't see any underneath. So we'll remove this one here. Hopefully this door will just pop right off. Aha! Found two screws I was unaware of. Underneath the armrest, there's two Phillips head screws. And I removed this piece as well. Just pulls right off. Well, it looks like I broke the window handle pulling the handle off, but I got it off anyway. Let's pull this thing. It's got clips all the way around it, and then it'll lift up and pull out. Next, remove this plastic and padding. It just pulls off. There's a black ring around it that's holding it on. All right, we're into the door panel. There's a bolt here and a bolt right in here. These hold the window pane onto the scissor lift, and right in here we can see where it's not inside the groove there. So we need to undo these two bolts, and then we'll lift the glass up and turn it and get it into this slot. And I think I see the problem right in there. See that there? The window's not in the track, so we'll have to fix that. All right, looks like it works, with the exception of this little gap here, and that's due to the door actually being bent outwards right here. They were probably trying to break into it, or something happened where it got pushed out. You can see the paint chipping right there. And I'm actually gonna wait to put all this back together because speakers are gonna need replaced. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.